Parents are often the first line of defense when it comes to spotting suicidal ideation in their teen. In this video, I'm going to teach you the QPR technique that parents and family members can use in their time of need. I'm Matthew Aspros, an adolescent therapist at La Plata Family Therapy. So here we have 3 ways to confidently assist your teenager if they are experiencing suicidal ideation. The first step is question. This can be somewhat awkward, but it is important to clear the air around this subject of suicidal thoughts. As awkward as it may be, you might be the person best suited to recognize the warning signs of suicidal crisis and be the best suited to prevent that suicide as well. Some questions that you can ask are, sometimes people feel that life is not worth living. Can you tell me how you feel about your own life? Or, do you find yourself wishing for a permanent escape from your life? Or even, have you ever thought of harming yourself or trying to take your own life? These questions may seem direct, but they are effective. Try not to worry about how the question sounds, as the most important thing is that you ask the question in the first place. If your teen is answering yes to any of these questions, then it's important to move on to the next step. The second step is to persuade. Persuading someone away from suicidal ideation and convincing them to seek help starts with an easy and straightforward act: listening. Advice can be problematic for a number of reasons, and while listening can be a courageous act requiring time and patience, it is always the correct course of action. To be the best listener in this situation, you must give your undivided attention without interrupting and only speaking when the other person is finished. After listening to your family member, you should try to persuade them to get help by either scheduling an appointment with a therapist or going to the emergency room. The third step is to refer. You have already shown that you take seriously the personal responsibility of care for your loved one. If you are able, please call a professional counselor or therapist and have them assess your loved one. If that's not an option and you fear that your loved one will hurt themselves, please call 911 or drive your loved one to the emergency room immediately. Here at La Plata Family Therapy, we can guide you through this extremely difficult time. Please reach out to us today.